My lighted Christmas tree is used year-round as a holiday tree. The cheap little half-amp transformer didn't last. After changing plugs on the tree and this transformer, I look forward to many years of service. Received immediately and perfectly replaced the damaged one. Wasn't the problem for what I needed it for. Works perfectly. I had to replace the original one after my basement flooded, and it works flawless with my sofa. Perfect OEM replacement. I highly recommend this. After home flooded, electric recliner stopped working. Husband replaced motors and now works like new. Checked prices for a company to do this first, and our DIY saved lot of money. It was for a sofa recliner. Way better price for the same item at Living Spaces. Replaced existing AC power adapter for power chair that had the plug on the DC side smashed in a move and works perfectly. Only difference was the connector on the DC side was different than what I was coupling to, but I knew that before purchasing because the product I received matched the photos in the advertisement exactly. It works for the recliner couch after the last one was chewed up by a bad dog. For the price you really cannot beat it. Comparable power supply cords go for 6x this price. It's being used on a couch that has a recliner on each end and works great. Click link in description for more reviews.